Hello everyone, welcome to PV Naturals. In today's busy day and age, there are a number of people with low hemoglobin levels resulting in anemia. I know that there are a lot of videos in YouTube which are going to tell you do this, do that, you will see good improvement in 5 to 10 days to treat anemia. But let me tell you guys that this is not possible. You have to always be patient with the process to see results in the long run. Some of the symptoms of low hemoglobin levels include fatigue, weakness, dizziness. We are going to look at some of the simple and natural ways to increase hemoglobin levels. There is no better cure than nature and all of its wonders. Tip 1. Please soak 5 to 6 dry grapes in a small glass of water and consume it the next morning after brushing your teeth. Do you know? 100 grams of dry grapes consists of nearly 23% of iron content, which helps us in curing iron deficiency over a period of time. Tip 2. Green leafy vegetables are a miracle remedy to treat low hemoglobin levels, and they drastically improve our antioxidant levels and mineral content in our body. They can be consumed every day or at least twice a week. Specifically, drumstick tree leaves or spinach leaves are superfoods under this category. Drumstick tree leaves has many important vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C and high potassium content, while spinach leaves are rich in vitamin A, C and K, magnesium, iron and manganese. They are even better for overall health if cooked in an iron vessel. Tip 3. Fig fruit, dates and badam, 4 each every day, are good options that can be consumed during evening snacks time. Please soak almonds or badam overnight and peel them before consuming. Tip 4. Pomegranate, either as a fruit or fresh juice, is an excellent food to improve our hemoglobin levels. Please do not add sugar to the fresh juice. Tip 5. Try consuming gooseberry fruit every single day, which is rich in vitamin C. Tip 6. If you're a non-vegetarian, please add 1 whole egg to your diet every day and goat liver once or twice a week. Vitamin E and iron content in eggs fight anemia, while goat liver has folic acid and other nutrients powerful enough to treat low hemoglobin levels and improve blood health. While following all of these tips, request you all to avoid or reduce the intake of tea or coffee. Please remember, good cardio or physical activity and proper sleep routine for at least 7 hours a day while following all of these natural ways will give you amazing results in a matter of 3 months. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the video, share it to your loved ones and subscribe. Do not forget to click the bell icon. We will see you in another useful video. Until then, please stay safe and take care.